morning, everyone. This is Caleb over at Drive and Auto Sound. We're going to be doing a self-powered jail subwoofer in this guy. We got ourselves, this is a 2019 Honda Civic. This with a factory radio. Alright guys, here we are checking it again. This is the Honda Civic. What we're doing is running a bass knob. This is where he controls everything from that woofer we're putting in. You can obviously adjust a little bit from the factory radio, but then you end up gutting your speakers of bass too. This is something a little bit more direct. 15 minutes goes a long way. A little extra TLC here, and it's going to be flush mounted up. We can also put light switches and all sorts of cool stuff. So today is a bass knob. Okay guys, here's the finished product. Bass knob next to the steering wheel. Nothing's changed on the radio. Obviously you're not going to see any wires except for in the back here where we've got a jail audio woofer. Pretty much dead center slapped on it is a little bit of Velcro, so it's not going to move anywhere on the back wall and on the back here. Everything's been taped up and safe, but he can easily remove these plugs on the side is what I'm showing you here. In case you got to get to your spare tire, you need to pull this thing out. It's 3 plugs, 1, 2, and 3 come out. You can't put them in wrong, and then you can take that baby out. But other than that, she beats. Come see it for yourselves. I've got it on display here.